So this is the main pipe for the toilet downstairs, which is also going upstairs for the upper floor apartment. So this is the guest washroom. So this is the washroom in the garage. And then we've got the down pipes for the rain gutter. So we are placing all the down pipes for the rain gutter within the block work, so there's nothing that's sticking out of the building once the project is completed. So you've got the sewage waste pipes, and it's running straight into the manhole, which is currently on its way.